Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're well. Personally, I'm okay, just a bit busy lately, but I'm glad I'm finally recording this for you guys. It's a new month. Happy new month. I really appreciate your presence in here. You're special, That's for you. I really love the support I get from you guys. To just click on my videos and the links that I share with you guys. I know sometimes the links are annoying, but when you just see a link of me and you're like, oh wow, let me go and watch her video. I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate your support and thank you so much for always coming to show up for me. I don't take you for granted. So I've not posted like in 2 weeks now, 3 weeks. Yeah, I've been so busy lately. We actually got a new braces color that you've not seen because I was busy. I was not able to post it. When I went to the dentist and then I came back, then the following week I got really busy. I couldn't even like make the video or something. And then I also got an order from SHEIN and I'm gonna be testing some items that I got with you guys. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Initially, when I was home, actually, I was skeptical about ever ordering anything from them. But once I got here and I like tasted them and I tried their items, I can now say confidently that yeah, Shein is a thing and it's a good thing that you can trust as long as you just shop right. Cause okay, let's have this talk right now. I believe you first need to know what you're looking for. Because once you know what you're looking for, you'll be able to get and like do your shopping right. Okay. So for me, first things first. After I see like I'll search whatever I'm looking for on the search box. The options I'm gonna get, I'm not gonna go with the first option that I get. I'm gonna like scroll until I see like what do they have to offer for what I'm searching for. I'll check like different options, analyze each and one of them. After analyzing, I'm gonna go and when I'm analyzing, I'm not just analyzing by the look of the item or photo of what they've posted or something. Analyzing means going into the details of the item, checking the prices, checking the description of the item that you're looking for. Because, for instance, if it's an outfit, you're supposed to know like the size, the material, if it's stretchy, if it's sheer or is it thick. Like you know the fabric, what's the highlight of the item that you're really looking forward to buy. Maybe even if it's just like an accessory, you need to be sure like what am I looking for and is what I'm looking for and what in the on the description of the item aligning. If it's not aligning, just try to make sure you get something else that's close to what you're looking for, right? So yeah, that's what I do. And again, on most items, you'll always find reviews that you can read. And beside the review, some people usually also share how the item maybe looks on them, or rather, if it's an accessory, if it's an outfit, maybe someone will share a photo of them when you're wearing it. Because actually, when people share reviews, they earn from it. Yeah, I realized that there's some points that goes to your account when you submit the reviews and you share the photos of the item you bought. Actually, yeah, it gives you some points to your account. And I'm not here to advertise for Shein actually. I just want to put you on, guys, because maybe you were also there and you were hesitant to shop like I was hesitant before. But now I just want to, I don't know how to put this, but yeah, I'm just putting you on, guys. If you wanna try ordering stuff online, please do. It I do recommend. Because personally, I've never been disappointed by anything that I ever ordered online. Not even a single item. Trust me. Anything that I ever ordered, as long as I read the description, I read the whatever, I already know what I'm expecting. So that's how I shop, right? And I'm always impressed by my selections. So stick around till the end of the video. I'm gonna be showing you when I went to the dentist and then receiving my SHEIN order and some other things happening in the video. So please stick around. I love your support. In case you've not subscribed, please subscribe right now. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'm really gonna appreciate. Thank you.
Gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories.
So once in a while, it's good to at least live life and just forget about everything else and just have some fun, because at the end of the day, we only live once, right? So some girl babies needed to just go out and have a night of their life in Qatar, in a club, having fun and forgetting about the hard work they do and just give thanks to themselves. And so here we are at Skyra Lounge. We had the best of our life. It was mad fun. The DJ in here didn't come to play. He really understood his assignment and it was really, really amazing. So I can attest to you that the nightlife in Qatar is very secure and safe for girls, because being outside, as long as you're with the right people in the right places, you're not like afraid of anything. You can just be sure that you're gonna be safe and even get home safely whatever time. So May was full of surprises and gifts for me. I got this cranky chocolate from Japan and a multifunctional pen that actually, it's a pen, it's a ruler, it's a tape measure, it's everything from Japan. I really appreciate the gift. Miss Emilia, thank you so much wherever you are. I also went for some shopping, and this was a day before my braces. So I needed to get like some soft stuff that I'm gonna eat once I get my teeth tightened the next day. So I usually eat like just soft things, some beans, bananas, potatoes. Yeah, so I had to like shop some of this for my braces appointment treatment. Yeah. So this is me now heading to the braces appointment. Yeah, it was just a simple outfit because it was again so hot outside. And it was about 4 p.m. but a quick break for my cute toes. Yeah. So it was about 4 p.m. The weather was just so, okay, not so hot, not so cold, and not so like harsh. It was just cool. So I just took my tram and enjoyed the sunset, enjoyed the easy ride as I gallivant to the dentist. Let's go.
Yeah, now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah, drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules.
So after some minutes, I was done and we got the bubble gum pink this time. And I love it. It's so cute. After I got home, my Shein order had arrived. And these are the items I got. They were not too much, but yeah. I just needed some items urgently and I had to order for me to get them like on time because it took like I think 6 days. Yeah. Because okay, for your order it just depends on the items that you order. The more you have like a big order, the more the company will need more days to be able to deliver your items. But the more you have like less items, the lesser time it takes for them to deliver your order. So yeah, mine took barely less than a week. Okay, so here we are unboxing. I'm gonna remove all these items from their packaging and show you like each and every one of them one by one, and we're gonna test some of them with you guys because actually there's this makeup brush cleaner that I need to test. But yeah, we're gonna see what it's there. I love the pants. The material is so cool. The blow dry brushes, the tongue scraper. Yeah, the anklet with my initial. Yeah, that's the makeup brush that we're gonna test. And my S24 cover that I'm gonna try, and the cute fancy bags for gallivanting around. Okay. So yeah, here we are testing the makeup brush cleaner. These are my makeup brushes. I usually wash them weekly because yeah, I believe if you want to also have a clear skin, just make sure also your makeup brushes are part of your skincare routine because you need clean brushes to also get yourself like a good makeup setting. And yeah, just make sure your items are clean. So I clean mine once a week, and before I got this I used to just clean them like manually, but once I saw this I thought it's gonna come in handy and it's really doing the job. So you just need to put like some water and some soap in there and rub the brush against the base of that bowl thing that is very a bit rough, and it's gonna now scrub the brushes. Just look at how it's cleaning them. Just a rub and it's all the makeup is gone. Like you, this is a lifesaver. I'm now sorted from now henceforth, and it's also so easy to use. So it's taking me less than 10 minutes to just get my brushes clean, which is very convenient for me. And yeah, a girl gotta slay. So afterwards I'm just gonna put them outside in the sun to just dry for some minutes, and then I'm gonna take them back in my makeup bag. Yeah, another little break for my cute toes. Oh my god, whenever I just have my nails done, I just feel complete in a way. Like I just have having fancy toes, got it gives me the confidence to be able to wear like open shoes in peace.
Okay, so I want to talk about my skin. Like, oh, my skin has really improved. Like, I was having some bad acne earlier, but my skin has improved big time, and I'm so impressed. And yeah, I would just want to share like a few tips of maybe those who are asking, what did you use for your acne? Blah 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 blah. Okay, first things first. It starts from what you're eating or what you're putting into your body will always come out and show the results. Yeah. So for me, once I discovered like the root cause of my acne and realized that I have a protein intolerance. So once I realized that and cut on my protein intake that's triggering my acne, I've seen a big improvement because yeah, don't ignore anything that happens in your body, because at the end of the day you need to love your body, you need to appreciate it, and by appreciating it is doing what your body wants. Okay, so yeah, I just like focused on eating right, focusing on having like not a complicated routine, but just a routine that works for me. Um, just having like a good toner, a good cleanser, a good moisturizer, using using satin pillowcases, because yeah, my pillowcases are satin, they're very smooth, they're not harsh on my face. Whenever I sleep, like it doesn't take all the nutrients from my skin, it just preserves it and keep my skin moisturized. And also like what else, also about the towel, like I just assume that more many people assume like using the same towel for your body is okay and you're using it for your face as well. Hell no. It's just a good practice. Have a separate towel for your face only and have a separate towel for your entire body. And you're gonna thank me later for this because it's a really a good practice, and it's something that has worked for me. And I think yeah, that's basically it. Say, check what you put into your body, because again I've cut on sugar. Yeah, I'm not eating chocolate like I was eating before. I'm a sweet tooth. If it's about having fancy things, chocolates, blah blah blah, I'm a sweet tooth. We cannot argue on that. But now I've cut it out because I know what I'm looking for. My acne has really reduced, and I hope it stays this way. And the practices I'm putting are gonna make it stay this way and become even more better. The only thing I'm remaining right now is just to clear like my hyperpigmentation, because now after the dark spots, they'll now leave my skin with hyperpigmentation. But I'm gonna give it more time to see if it clears, because again the glycolic acid toner from the ordinary that I'm using is it's helping dry them out and fade the pigmentation out. And I hope it's soon gonna be okay, because yeah, nothing happens in a day, nothing happens like I can't just sleep and wake up with a clear skin. It has to take effort, it has to take time, and with this, you're gonna see some good results. So that's all I want to say about my skin.
Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah.
So that was it, my love. Thank you for watching. I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate your support. Just make sure, please, you subscribe, you give the video a thumbs up. If the video was helpful, make sure you share it with someone else. And also leave me a comment, maybe a question of whatever you want to know or what you want to see me do next, any idea that you have, and I'm gonna appreciate it. Thank you for watching until this far. I don't take it for granted. Adios. Here. Stay blessed, stay positive, and always focus on the good parts of life. Bye bye. I'll see you on my next one.